Hello Stenos, welcome to my YouTube channel Shorthand with Stenos. Ready for today's dictation? 1, 2, 3, start. I am directed to state that it has been brought to the notice of the Finance Department dates of birth of ex-military personnel as shown in their military discharge certificate does not in some cases tally with those given in their service books on their appointment to civil post as to which of the two dates of birth should be adopted for purpose of examination. It has been decided with the S and GAD that be taken as correct for purpose of reckoning the age of super. This decision may be brought to the notice all concerned the officials are due to, but also results in delaying their pension cases. Full stop para. I am therefore to request you to ensure that the above instructions are directly followed and cases of exceptional nature only may be sent to the department. Full justification for obtaining the orders of the Chief Minister for the relaxation the rules in their behalf. I am request further that these instructions may kindly brought to the notice of all concerned for strict compliance. Part 1 of Rule of Punjab Financial Rules envisage that is regard to the declaration made at that time or for the purpose of entry into government shall be deemed to be conclusive unless he applies for correction of his within 2 years from the date of his entry into government services. Government how reserve the right to make a correction in the recorded age of a government at any time against the interest of that government servant when it is satisfied age recorded in his service book or in the history of service of a gazette government servant is incorrect and has been so recorded with the subject that the government servant may derive some unfair advantage therefrom. It is incumbent on a government servant to his date of birth and to produce proper proof in support thereof at the time of his first entry government services. No request of correction alternation in the recorded date of birth should be entertained at all if made after 2 years of date of entry into service. It is emphasized that care should be taken to ensure that the ex-servicemen do get their share in services according to the reservations made by government for them. In case of any violation of the ex-serviceman quota in future, government shall be constrained to consider it as a personal lapse on the part of the appointing authority. Such a violation will be requested as a breach of services discipline instructions, which amounts to misconduct and would entail disciplinary action under the West Pakistan Government Sector and Discipline Rule 1960. Full stop.